Hi guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's videos we're going to have our unboxing and our initial review of the Haylou Gst Smartwatch. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video guys is we're going to unbox and do our initial review of the Haylou Gst Ultralight Smartwatch. So actually we're gonna say thank you to Banggood for sending this product to us. And then if you want to check their store guys, I put the link on the description box. And this product actually costs guys for around $30 US. Now let's open this product. Alright guys, so this is now the box of our Haylou Gst. So in front, so you have here the smartwatch, and on top, so you have here the Haylou branding and with this big GST capitalized, and below there's Haylou Gst. So for me guys, the product, it's pretty simple and it's pretty straightforward. And on the left, so we have here 12 workout modes, and on the right, so we have here SpO2 tracking, and on top there's none, and at the bottom there's none. Now let's look at the back guys. So we have here Haylou Gst Smartwatch and the specifications: heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, IP6 waterproof, 12 workout modes, sleep monitoring, and 7 days battery life. Okay guys, so now let's open this box. Okay, so let's open this baby here. Okay, and all we have to do is we're going to slide this box here like that, and let's open this one, the sides, and voila, it's very beautiful guys, our Haylou Gst. So let's set this aside first and let's look at what's inside the box. So we have here the charger, so with the charging cable, so it's magnetic. We have here the manual. Okay, it's in different languages as well, and if you have any questions, just refer to your manual. And we have no more guys. Yeah, no more. Okay, there's no more. Okay, so we only have here the product itself, the watch, and the manual and the charging cable. So here is our Haylou Gst. So let's take this one out here. Okay, this is the screen guys. It's more like in a rectangular shape. So as you can see, I've actually had Haylou watch before, but this one is pretty more look really like a rectangular shape. So the other smartwatches, it's more like square. And we have here the strap, so it's pretty smooth because it's made of silicone. And we have here the rubber, so it locked, so it says Haylou branding as well. And we have here lots of holes for the strap, so you shouldn't have any problem fitting it to your wrist. And at the back, so we have here the sensors, and we have here the charging pins. And on the right, so we have here the button, and on the left we have nothing guys. Now for me guys, the frame, it's more like an alloy, yes, and at the back, so it's more like plastic. Okay, and as you can see guys, here we have here the glare from our ring light. So the bezels at the bottom, it's pretty big, but it's overall, I think it's just fine. So let's turn it on. Alright, so we are greeted with the Haylou branding, and we have here the QR code. So for us to use this one, we are going to download Haylou Fun application. Okay guys, so I will be right back, and I will be after setting this watch. Hey guys, we are back. So I just finished connecting our Haylou Fun application to our Haylou Gst Smartwatch, and actually I will be uploading the tutorials later on guys, But before that, let's take a look at the watch again. So this is the default watch face of our Haylou GST. So we have here the digital style. And guys, this watch also supports watch faces. So let's try to count, guys, how many watch faces does it have. So let's just long press here, and then you can now change the different watch face that you like. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we've got 5 watch faces here. And then don't worry, guys, you will be able to download watch faces more on the Haylou fan application. Now we're going to swipe down, guys, and let's check what comes out when we swipe down. So when we swipe down, guys, so we have here the different features. So we have here the brightness, and also the find the phone and the do not disturb mode settings, and also we have here the time and the date on top, and also the battery percentage on the upper left. Okay, now let's try to, when we swipe to the left, guys, so we have here the widgets. So we have here steps, heart rate, we have also your blood oxygen level, and also sleep monitoring, and the weather as well, and also the relaxation application. Alright, and then when we swipe to the right, then it also gives us the same widgets. Alright, now let's swipe up. So when we swipe up, guys, so we can now navigate to the different kinds of applications. So first we have the stat, okay, so steps, and also the kcal, and we have here the heart rate. So we have here at 82 beats per minute. So as you can see, the sensors are lighting up. Alright, and then we have here SpO2. So it says there, please wear it close to your skin, keep the screen face up and still. So let's check, guys, our blood oxygen level, and we hope that we can get a good result for this. So let's go to SpO2, and then let's tap on start measuring, and as you can see, the sensors are in red, so it's measuring, guys. So it says here, please wear it too close to your skin and keep the screen face up and still. So it means that we shouldn't really move so much. Alright, guys, so our heart rate, it's at 96 beats per minute, and our oxygen level is 100%, and that is a very good result. Although my heart rate, it's a little bit fast, but it's still within the normal range. Alright, and now we have here sports. So let's tap on that one. So it says there it has 12 sports modes. So we have here jogging, fast walking, biking, climbing, spinning, yoga, indoor running, integrated training, gymnastics, basketball, football, and rowing. Alright, so it's all just up to you, guys, of which kind of sports that you want to try. And then we also have here exercise record. Okay, and we have here weather. So as you can see here in my area, is the temperature is at 26 degrees Celsius, and it's more like a thunderstorm. Yes. And then we have sleep monitoring as well, deep sleep or light sleep. So since I have not used this one yet, so there is no record. We also have here notice, so it means the messages that you can get on your watch. Then we also have here music control, so if you're using or listening to Spotify on your phone, then you can remotely navigate the music that you want using this smartwatch. Then we tap or going to tap on more. We have here stopwatch, yes, countdown, find phone, and breath training. Alright, so this is nice, guys. Like we say 1 minute if you're so stressed out, then it says there please relax. Alright, and then breathing in. Okay, so it's here breathing in and then breathe out. So this is a very simple way, guys, for us to distress and to relax, especially this time. Alright, so those are the applications of our Haylou GST. Okay, and then so far guys, it's pretty straightforward, it's very simple, and I will be testing this one out for a couple of days, and I will give you my full review later on. Okay, and just my initial review guys of this watch. It's looks premium, and it feels pretty compact when you wear it, and sometimes you don't even feel that you are wearing a smartwatch. And I will be testing, and I will be uploading more tutorials about this smartwatch in a couple of days, so stay tuned for that. And then guys, don't forget to check out the Banggood store. I already put the link in the description box, so just check them out. And if you have any questions and any suggestions for the test in this smartwatch, just comment down below guys. And then if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to our channel and click the notification bell for you to be updated of our latest smartwatches out there. So once again, this has been Josh, and I will see you on our next video.
This ain't over.